This crab spread takes just a few minutes and it's so creamy and flavorful, you are going to love this one. Welcome to Simply Food Recipes. Today we are making super easy crab spread. These are the ingredients and let's get started. Start with the surimi, also known as crab sticks. You can chop them by hand if you want, but we like to use this little manual chopper. It saves time and effort. The nice thing about this one is you can control the texture depending on how many times you pull the string. So it's actually perfect for spreads like this where you don't want it too smooth. It's also super affordable, which is always a bonus. Just pulse it until the pieces are small but still have a bit of texture. Next, the hard-boiled eggs. You can chop them with a knife or use the same chopper, whatever you prefer. Just like with the surimi, you don't want to over-process them. Give it a few pulls or a rough chop so you keep some texture in the spread. The eggs makes everything nice and creamy, but those small pieces keep it from turning into a paste and give it a better bite. Once they are ready, add them straight into the bowl with the surimi and we will move on. Now add the spring onions. We are using the same hand chopper again. Just give it a few pulls until they are nicely chopped. You don't need to go too fine here, just enough so they mix in well and still keep a bit of texture. They add a fresh flavor and a little bit of crunch, which works really well with the creamy base. Then just add them into the bowl with the rest. Now add about 1 cup of mayonnaise. This is what brings everything together and gives the spread the smooth, creamy consistency. At first it may look like a lot, but once everything is mixed, it balances out perfectly. Season with salt and black pepper, then mix everything well until fully combined. Start with a smaller amount of seasoning, give it a taste and adjust if needed. You can always add more, but it's much harder to fix it if you add too much at the beginning. Mix until everything is nicely combined and creamy. When it's ready, transfer the spread into a container with a lid and keep it in the fridge. You can enjoy it right away, but it's even better after some time when all the flavors come together. Serve it with fresh bread, baguette or toast. You can also add some fresh veggies like cucumber or tomatoes on the side. It makes the plate look more appetizing and adds a bit of freshness too. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share and follow for more easy recipes like this. And I will see you in the next one.